buddy.
Yeah, there, I guess they escaped. These piglets keep coming under the electric.
Hello, little piggies. Hey, buddy.
So this is Carl, Swen, and Dan.
Hey, guys.
Swen is a ram.
He's pretty.
Yeah, he has like super pretty silvery. The beginning of June. They're about a month old. Maybe 5 weeks old.
They're so cute.
And they still all, it's funny because so there's the two moms. It's this kind of like reddish,
fluffy,
whitish one. And then that black one right there. And they still all pile into the same nesting box with all 11 chicks at night. I'm like, I don't know how you all fit in there. But.
That's cute.
Food. And all around that's good.
Cucumbers. I'm getting a lot of cucumbers. Hopefully these will grow up and over. This is Roxanne's garden. Mostly has grass in it, but it does have some other things. This is more cucumbers. This one, what can be a pumpkin? This is a buttercup. These are butternut. That one, I don't know why this side is just not doing as well. Maybe it's just not getting as good sun or
kind of getting
something.
shaded from the other side.
It's not having.
This guy right here. You can see his.
We almost made it. We had to be rescued. We finally made it home. And it's pretty late now, so we just fed them a little bit of kitty food for the night, but we'll give them their pig food in the morning. And I put this little tote in here for them. It had some water in it, so that's not pee or anything, that's just water. But we're keeping them in the garage tonight, and we'll put them outside tomorrow because where they were in Kansas, it was a lot hotter and humid at night, and it's pretty cold at night. We're looking, you know, it's not super cold, it's like 60 degrees, but 60 degrees without your mom when you've never been anything, you haven't been that cold yet, and there's a nice cold breeze, and I was just worried that they would be way too cold their first night. So they're in the garage their first night, they'll adjust to our weather, and we'll put them outside, but wanted to start small. They had a long, hard drive, so there's no need to also throw them out in the cold. We want them to adjust to the weather. But so we have two little piggies. This one is castrated, and this one is going to be our boar. We're really excited about them. They're so cute. Hey, these boys are out here now. They're in one of the sheep runs. Since the sheep are out grazing, they went from being afraid of me to knowing that I feed them. Huh. climb in there real quick. Alright. Look out, buddy. Don't want to step on you. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. They were really skittish. Which is to be expected. They don't know us at all, too. Now, when I come in here, okay, boys, come here. They'll come up to me and I can feed them. I can pet them. They're only a little bit nervous. Good job. Hey, buddies. We have 2 boys that we got. These guys, these are both boys. Let's go back so you can see them better. We made our trip home. They've been out here. They've been enjoying this space. And we have one of these pigs is going to be our butcher hog eventually, and one of them is going to be our breeding hog. So we'll have a boar and a future butcher pig, which will be hard because both have gotten really attached, but part of life. But of these 2 boys, we have Nigel will be our breeding hog, which is fun. You'll see a lot of him, and you'll see a lot of this one too. We have Boris. I'm pretty sure this one's Boris, and I'm pretty sure this one is Nigel. One of these boys is intact, and the other one is not. So only one of these boys can breed. The other one has already been surgically altered, so he cannot breed. But aren't they just the cutest things? And they went from running and squealing and being scared of us to, you know, like, to bum scratches. He's getting there. There we go. That's better. Getting used to us. It's also crazy how fast they grow, you know, because he's about this big. He's pretty good size still, but he will be huge in a week. They just grow really, really fast, which is also adorable. He also has this cool, like, you see that, like, copper looking? It's like copper ticking in the hair. It's like really cool looking. I think that's just from the sun, but it looks cool. Because our sheep do that too when they get the sun. If they're black sheep and they have a lot of sun exposure, it does kind of bleach the tips out, but it looks really cool. There you go, my little friends. So, made it home to their new home. A nice, safe transition. And now they're happy here in this little pig pen. And they've become really friendly. They came running up to me when they saw me, which is awesome.